Oh, by the way, guys, I'm just sitting here. I have to look through my phone. Ooh, jeezums. I have to sit here and watch through the phone so I can completely see, so my colors aren't so good, so it's kind of annoying. But I'm making sure you guys get a good video, not trash. Ooh, it's raining. Fire. We just had a failure. There's a failure. Just blew up on the ground. Failure. That's what happened for that last one. I don't think you guys can see it, but there's a huge cloud of smoke. Fiddle. First time it's ever happened. It's never happened before. They had a big failure. I don't see anything. Right now I think they're checking out all this stuff before they just quit. I'll start recording again if they start again. Otherwise, I think that it might be over already because of that big boom. Because that explosion. Should have seen that. That was big.